I'm Nick Turan.
And I'm Karma Patel.
And so today we're running the elementary school math night. So right now it's just the Northside, but we're planning on expanding to other elementary schools throughout the city. And to us, the importance of kind of throwing a math event for these young kids is to foster the love of math at an early age, because kind of going into middle school and high school, the stigma of math, it becomes almost too great to kind of break down. At that point, it's so ingrained in them that math is scary and math should be something like that's hard and it's super daunting. And so we think that kind of instilling a love for math at such an early age is really important to kind of set them on the right track throughout high school.
Yeah, so today we have all the elementary school kids coming here, and we have lots of stations set up for them to do games and things like that, to show them that math not only is just pen and paper, it's also about applying math in the real world. So we have things like volume, area, which are all things that can be applied. So we also have stations for things like making change and counting money, which also is a very important skill. And I personally, that's where I struggled in elementary school with money and things like that. And to kind of encourage this, we also have things like prizes that the kids can win when they go and do stations, and they can get multiple entries and things like that. And it's just, yeah, we're just here to make this a good place and make math fun for the younger kids.
Why we chose the north side is because Winston Churchill is located on the north side, and so we have a lot of the Churchill family kind of in this area. So we have people's younger siblings, people's cousins kind of coming. And so we just wanted to test the waters with how much public interest there would be and how helpful an event like this would be to our youth.
So yeah, we're trying to ensure that math isn't scary for when they grow, when kids get older. And we're also trying to make sure that they understand that math does have real-world applications. So we have stations here that have to do with like organizing items into different areas, such as Venn diagrams. We have things that apply with architecture, with like making 3D shapes and things like that. We also have, what else do we have?
So we have like kind of Hot Wheel cars going down a ramp, so we can calculate how fast it's going. So I think it's kind of like a nice transition to introduce these kids to like things like physics and stuff like that, to kind of help them figure out what they're passionate with, and I guess kind of figure out what they want to do, like, because I think for high school students especially, we go through without an idea what we want to do, and so if we can help these kids kind of find their way, it's going to be super helpful to the community.
We're counting how many people come to the event. All of us execs are going to be walking around, taking feedback from people. We're going to try and ensure everything's organized. We're going to take feedback from staff and parents, and also just the kids themselves, going to make sure that they have fun.
Yeah, and so kind of the way we're able to promote this event is through our principal. We are able to contact all the elementary schools, and then of course they can go to their parents, so they can send out emails to all the parents to say, hey, we have this opportunity to come show your kids, like, have a fun night with math.
Hopefully everyone has a lot of fun, and we'll just be looking at how well this event goes, and we'll have events in the future that might occur in other areas of the city.